What if the difference between panic selling and building real wealth comes down to having just one system? Because most investors don't lose money because of bad stocks. They lose it because they don't know what to do when things go wrong.
Have you ever had that feeling, that gut-wrenching panic when a stock you really believe in just starts to nosedive? And every headline, every alert on your phone is just screaming sell while your portfolio is bleeding red. Yeah, me too. Today, we're going to build a system to replace that chaos with cold, hard conviction. We're going to give you a data-driven framework for your investment decisions. So let's dive in. This quote, this just hits home, doesn't it? It comes from a real story in our source material. Someone invested in a market-leading company, and then bam, it tanked, and fast. In that moment of pure panic, what separates a huge loss from a long-term win? Well, it isn't some hot tip from a guru. It's having a system, and the confidence that comes from doing your own homework. And that's the real question, isn't it? It's not about trying to avoid market downturns. They're going to happen. It's about building a framework that lets you act rationally when everyone else is, just reacting emotionally. And that is exactly what we are going to build right here, right now. So here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about why having a system is so important. Then, we'll figure out what a quality company even looks like before we build our own data-driven screener to find them. After that, we'll connect the numbers to what's happening in the real world, and finally, we'll pull it all together into a smart, balanced portfolio. All right, let's kick things off with our first section. The whole goal here is to shift our mindset completely. We're moving away from making decisions based on fear or FOMO, and instead, moving toward a repeatable, logical process. Now, let's be super clear about something. This explainer isn't about giving you a shopping list of stocks to buy. Not at all. It's about giving you the tools, the framework, to find great companies for yourself. We're building a system designed to filter out all the noise so you can focus on what actually matters, the numbers and the story behind them. Okay, before we even dream of looking at a single financial metric, we need a simple qualitative filter.
Watch the full video on my channel. This is just the beginning.